The words how and much are often used together when talking about money. When asking about the cost of something, you can just ask how much? How much? Or how much is it? This is the verb and this is the subject. Or you could ask, how much does it cost? Here is the subject, and then the main verb is cost. This is the helping verb. This question is in the present tense. You could also ask, how much money does it cost? This is not necessary, but if you do use the word money, this is the object. The word it is still the subject. Here's the verb, and then money is the object. This is sufficient when asking about the cost. You don't have to use the word money. However, you could simply ask, how much money, or how much money is it? But I think these questions are better. Here are two simple questions you can ask about cost, and then I'll tell you what the answer is. How much is it? So this is the subject, this is the main verb, it's the verb be, and then the answer can simply use its, putting it and is together, and then here's the dollar amount. It's $10. Use dollars after the number. Or it costs, and then here's the amount. It costs $10. In the plural form, how much are they? This is the subject, this is the main verb, and the answer, they are, or they're, and then here's the dollar amount. They're $10. Or they cost $10. Notice that the plural verb matches the plural subject, just as the singular subject here matches this singular verb. Another way to ask about cost is with this question, how much does it go for? So here's the subject and then the helping verb. The main verb is go, and then there's this preposition. This is a common way of asking about cost, especially something that's more expensive. How much does it go for? And the answer, it goes for, and then here would be the amount. It goes for $2,500. If a price or cost is negotiable, then use these questions. How much do you want for it? Here's the helping verb, main verb. This is the subject. Here's the preposition, and then this would be the thing. If it's plural, you would just say, how much do you want for them? You could also ask, how much would you be willing to accept for it? In this case, the person asking the question understands that the cost or the price is negotiable. So this could be for something that would be very expensive, such as a car or a house. To ask about the cost of something that's very expensive, you might hear this question: how much will this set me back? So this is the modal verb will, usually used for the future, but you can use it for a present situation. And here is the main verb. It's actually a verb phrase, set back. And this is the object, this is the subject. How much will this set me back? And the answer can be in any form. You don't have to use set back in the answer. You can just say it will or it'll cost, and then there's the dollar amount. It'll cost $350,000. When someone asks about a salary or wages, this question is often used. How much do you make? Here's the subject, here's the helping verb, and then here's the main verb, make. How much do you make? Or you could use the word money after how much, although it's not necessary, because everyone understands that this is a question about salary or wages. But this is the object, and then here again you have the helping verb, main verb, and then that's the subject. When answering the question, I make, and then here's the dollar amount, and then many people will say per year, but this could be per month, or it could be per hour. Usually you'll hear someone say how much they make per year. When asking about a person's salary, this question takes into consideration taxes or deductions from a person's paycheck. How much is your gross salary? So this is going to be the large amount before taxes and deductions. How much is your net salary? This is the money that you actually see in your paycheck. This is the money that you are given after taxes and deductions. Sometimes this is called take-home pay. How much is your take-home pay?